Our Western Division Federal Credit Union app is a streamlined way to apply for a loan, mortgage, or membership in addition to enabling access to online banking anywhere. When you first boot up the app, you are greeted by the home screen. Presently, our banners are applying for a loan, applying for a mortgage, or applying for a membership. If you hit Apply Now, you'll be redirected to your mobile browser where you can fill out your application. Going back to our app, let's say we want to access online banking. First, we'll need to tap the padlock icon and enter our account information. After doing so, the padlock icon will change from being locked to unlocked. The padlock is set on a counter, just like the desktop version. If you remain inactive for too long, you will automatically be signed out, ensuring the security of your account in the event that your phone is compromised. Since we're unlocked, we can proceed to viewing our online banking account by tapping the My Accounts button. From here, we can check our balance and transfer money, amongst all the other utilities offered by the desktop version of online banking. You can also transfer money by tapping the Move Money icon. If we tap the More icon, we can check our branch location and hours. We can also apply for a loan in this screen or gain some assistance by consulting our FAQs. Thank you for choosing Western Division, and I hope you find our app useful.